In today's video, I'm gonna teach you guys how to make money online in 2019. Yes, guys, how to make money online, and I'm gonna be showing you guys my 3 favorite methods on how to make money online on 2019. So let's go. Let's conquer 2019 together. Let's jump in my computer. Let's go. All right, guys, we are back inside my computer, and I'm going to be showing you guys my 3 favorite methods on how to make money online in 2019. So first, I'm giving you guys number 3. My third on the list is Clickfunnels. So guys, Clickfunnels is an amazing tool. If you guys haven't heard about this yet, everyone that's trying to make money online should be using this tool. But we're going to show you guys how to make money from this. So the tool part's not even important if you want to make money. But this tool is amazing. Anyone can use it. It's great. It builds funnels. But let's move to the affiliate program, because the affiliate program is ridiculous. So here we are at Affiliate Bootcamp. I have the link in the description, but this bootcamp actually shows you how to retire in 100 days as a ClickFunnels super affiliate. He literally teaches you how to make $100 per day easily in this training course, and it's all for free. You get 40% per month of commissions. And then pretty much summing all this up, all you need to do is 1 free trial per day for each of those 100 days, and you can either make $4,000 a month or even up to $12,000 a month, just depending on what plan they get. But that's freaking bananas, guys. If you can be making $4,000 a month because this pays you 40% commissions and it's residual. So every month you'll get paid as long as someone's using ClickFunnels, and they teach you how to do it. I mean, it's absolutely free. It's a 100-day challenge. There's no risk. Take it, guys. The link will be in the description. Join this 100-day challenge. Find out how to do this yourself. Watch this video. It's a really good video. And there's a little bonus too. You get 100 members, they give you a car. That's crazy. Moving to number 2 on our list, we have Builderall. So Builderall is also a really amazing tool that is full of so many damn things. Look at this: website builders, funnels, email marketing. You can do so much things with Builderall, but it also has an affiliate program. So when you actually sign up to Builderall, they have these 3 different accounts you can sign up to. This is the one I'm recommending if you guys want to make money. For $50 per month, you can make money from Builderall because you will be a legitimate partner. Yes, a partner, guys. So if I take you guys to my back office, I'm actually a partner. I'm an affiliate, as you can see. This is the back office of all the tools they have, which is amazing. But I know you guys want to watch the money side of things, right? So this is number 2 on my list, and you'll see why. If we go right here to earnings calculator, you can actually calculate to see how much you can potentially make from Builderall. Like, Builderall is freaking crazy, guys. Look, let's just say, okay, so Builderall has a challenge as well. If you get 100 people to sign up, they give you a car, just like ClickFunnels. So let's shoot for 100. How many licenses can you sell in 1 year? Let's say 100. That's what, if we calculate that, 100 licenses a year, there's 12 months in a year. That's around 100 divided by 12. That's 8 licenses a day. 8 licenses, not per day. I apologize. 8 licenses per month. All you have to do is sell 8 per month. 8 per month. That's not that hard, especially when this tool, look at this, is full of all this damn value. And as a tool, as a regular person would use it, if they don't want to make money from it, it's only $30 a month, and you get all this crap: design studio, video editor, apps, creator, webinars, like for $30 a month. Now, if they want to make money, if you get them all to be affiliates, let's say you're shooting towards people who also want to make money. You know, a lot of your friends that want to make money, and you tell them this and how they can make money. There's a special training. I'll get to that right now. Let's say they all want to be affiliates, so that's 100 of them. All of them want to be affiliates, right? Now, how many sales each affiliate will make? So out of those 100 people you brought in throughout that year, let's say, okay, they might not be as dedicated as you are. Only you can control how dedicated, how passionate, how much work you actually put in, right? So if these guys don't put in the work just like you do, let's just say throughout that 1 year span, they all get at least one per month. That's only 12, guys. how many sales each affiliate will make. Let's just say they do 12. If you look here, your immediate earnings, you immediately, after all these numbers, you make 5 grand take home right there on the spot, guys. That first month, $5,000 is how much you made. Now you look at your monthly income. If all this comes true, if you get 100 people, they're all affiliates and they actually only get 12 people in, you could be making $20,000 a month. That's around, roughly around there, 19,461,000. That is freaking crazy. All you're doing is promoting a freaking tool that is amazing. A tool that can do almost anything. Build websites, email marketing, a design studio, photo editor, video creator, video animator, creating apps, SEO, auto posts, Facebook chat box, script generators, social proof, roulette. These are all a bunch of little things that people would charge 10, 15, $20 a month on their own, that they have their own little section. This is crazy, and it's full of training. It's full of freaking training. That's why this is number 2 on my list. Not just that, but I have a link to a free training that they're doing. There's a 90-day challenge on how to make 2,000 to 4,000 per month with Builderall. Look at this. Join the Builderall Business Affiliate Program and they'll teach you. You join the challenge, and all these people right here, they've made 25,000, 40,000, 5,000, 2,800, 268, I guess, in 48 hours, 9,000 in the past 5 months. Like, look at all the social proof, all these big numbers, guys. Look at this, 27,719. This is crazy. You do not want to miss out on this one. And they teach you. They're pretty much teaching you. What Builderall does so freaking great is that they don't waste a lot of money on marketing. They rather invest that money in you to market it, opposed to Clickfunnels. Clickfunnels runs ads like crazy. Clickfunnels has so many ads running. Builderall gives you, the affiliate, the opportunity to promote them. They want you to get that extra money instead of them taking it all for themselves. So free training, guys. It's free. The link will be in the description. Just join this 90-day challenge today if you want to make passive money online for 2019. All right, guys. So the one you've been waiting for, number one way to make money online for 2019. Can y'all guess what's my number one way, in my opinion? Right here. Taking online courses, guys. This is just one of the many courses I've taken. I can say that I've taken multiple courses throughout the last 3 years. I began this venture of making money online in 2016, and I've taken so many damn courses. I might have spent more over $10,000, and I can say honestly that it has paid off, and I'll do it over and over again, because the best investment you can do is investing in yourself, guys. And the one I'm actually showing you guys right here is OD Productions Passive Income Course. The reason why I'm showing you guys this course in particular is because out of all the courses I've taken, this by far is the best one. It might be a little bit on the pricey side, but what you get from this is 100% valuable. You get weekly live streams with a millionaire. If you go into here, my members dashboard, and we go to live streams, Odie actually spends 2 hours of his time each Sunday. You see, today is a Sunday, so he's gonna live stream today. You actually get all these videos right here. Look at that. Each Sunday he jumps in there. Look, 1 hour and 55, 2 hours, 2 hours and 12, 1 hour and 44. He actually goes in there and helps you one-on-one. How many students are in there? Whoever joins the live stream, but he gives you all that valuable help, guys. Like, this by far is the best course I've taken. And not only that, if you're looking to make money online, it has an affiliate program and you can learn how to make money. I mean, by the things you learn in these 8 weeks of value, you'll be able to make so much money online. Like, if you follow the steps. Of course, you have to be disciplined. This is no get rich quick. There's no such thing. If not, everybody would be rich, right? It really comes down to how much hard work you're willing to put in. So this is ultimately my favorite one. But if you're low on money, you have these other 2 training options for free. You got this one that's 100% free, but in order to promote it, it's also free, I believe. But to make the commissions, you do need to become a ClickFunnel payer. Builderall is also free to join the challenge, but you also need to have the business account, which is $50 a month. But way worth it. And this is ultimately the best, but I know it's more on the expensive side. But I have the links to all three of these things where you can make money online for 2019, guys. If you like this video, give it a like. Leave me a comment down below. Any questions, just let me know. Hit me up. You know, I'm open to helping you all. I want you all to succeed. I want to succeed, and I want you to succeed with me. Let's get it. Let's make 2019 a year to be unforgettable. Let's get it.
Yeah, I don't need her, I don't need him. Fuck it, I do it myself. No one's got this, no one's got that. Fuck it, I do it myself.